Hello, Path to Plenty family. Today we will be discussing how I built a $1,000 emergency fund in 90 days, step-by-step plan. Financial experts say you need a $1,000 emergency fund before you do anything else with your money. Before paying off debt aggressively, before investing, before anything, get that $1,000 in the bank. Why? Because without it, every unexpected expense becomes a crisis. Car repair? Credit card. Medical bill? Credit card. Broken appliance? Credit card. You end up going deeper into debt trying to survive normal life. But here's what nobody tells you. Saving $1,000 feels impossible when you're living paycheck to paycheck. That's why I'm showing you the exact system I used to build my emergency fund in 90 days, even while paying bills and dealing with real life. This isn't theory. This is the actual step-by-step plan that worked. And if I can do it, so can you. Let's break it down. Why $1,000? First, why $1,000? Why not $500 or $5,000? $1,000 is the sweet spot because it covers most common emergencies without being so large that it feels impossible. Car repair, usually $300 to $800. Urgent medical bill, typically under $1,000 with insurance. Broken appliance, $200 to $600 to replace. Emergency travel can get you where you need to go. It won't cover everything, but it covers enough that you stop reaching for credit cards every time life happens. Once you have this $1,000 saved, you'll feel a weight lift off your shoulders. That's when you start tackling debt and building bigger savings, but this is step one. The 90-day breakdown. Let's do the math. $1,000 in 90 days is roughly $333 per month, which breaks down to $77 per week, $11 per day. Now I know what you're thinking. I don't have an extra $11 a day. Stick with me. This isn't about finding money you don't have. It's about redirecting money you're already spending and creating money you didn't know was possible. I'm going to show you a three-pronged approach. Cut invisible spending, find $100 to $150 per month, sell stuff you don't need, one-time $200 to $300, add small income boosts, earn $100 to $200 per month. Combined, these get you to your goal without feeling deprived. Prong 1, cut invisible spending. This isn't about beans and rice. It's about cutting waste you won't even miss. Week 1 to 2, the audit. Spend 2 weeks tracking every dollar. Use a notes app, spreadsheet, or budgeting app. Don't change your behavior yet. Just watch where money goes. You're looking for patterns. How much on food delivery? What subscriptions auto-charged? How much on impulse purchases? What did you buy but not use? Week 3 to 4, strategic cuts. Now you make cuts based on what you discovered. Here are the highest impact, lowest pain cuts. Food and drinks and savings. Pack lunch 3 days a week instead of buying, save $40 a month. Make coffee at home 4 days a week, save $20 a month. Cut food delivery in half, pick up instead, save $40 a month. You're not eliminating everything, just cutting frequency. Subscriptions and savings. Cancel one streaming service, rotate them monthly instead, $15. Downgrade your phone plan, $10 to $25. Cancel that gym membership for a home workout app, $30. Utilities and services and savings. Lower your thermostat 2 degrees, $15 to $20. Call and negotiate cable or internet, $20 to $30. Switch to cheaper car insurance, shop around, $30 plus. Entertainment and savings. Movie nights at home instead of theater, $25. Free activities 1 weekend per month, varies. Total from cuts, $120 to $190 per month. That's roughly $40 to $60 per week, which is already half your goal.
This is your quick cash injection. You probably have $300, $500 worth of stuff collecting dust right now. What to sell? Old electronics, phones, tablets, game consoles, clothes you haven't worn in a year, furniture you don't use, books, DVDs, video games, exercise equipment gathering dust, kitchen appliances you never touch, that hobby you abandoned, art supplies, instruments, etc. Where to sell? Facebook Marketplace, best for furniture, local pickup. eBay, electronics, collectibles. Poshmark/Depop, clothes, shoes, accessories. Declutter, books, DVDs, games, tech. OfferUp/Craigslist, anything local. Pro tips: price to sell, not to get rich. You want it gone fast. Take good photos with natural light. Post on weekends when people are browsing. Bundle items for quick sales. Set a 1-month deadline. Anything that doesn't sell gets donated. Goal: $200 to $400 in the first month from selling. This gives you a huge head start. Even if you only get $200, that's nearly 20% of your emergency fund done immediately. Prong 3, small income boosts. You don't need a whole side hustle, just strategic extra income for 90 days. Quick money, this month. Overtime at work if available, $100 to $300. Return items you bought but don't need, $50 to $100. Sign up bonuses for bank accounts, $100 to $300. Seriously, banks pay you to switch. Cashback apps for shopping you already do, $20 to $40. Ongoing small income, monthly. Gig economy, super flexible, $100 to $300 per month. DoorDash, Uber Eats, 5 hours on weekends, $100 to $150. Rover dog walking, 2 walks per week, $80 to $120. TaskRabbit odd jabs, 1 per week, $120 to $200. Online, from your couch, $50 to $150 per month. Online surveys, Swagbucks, Survey Chunky, $50 to $80. User testing websites, usertesting.com, $60 to $120. Sell photos on stock sites, $20 to $50. Freelance on Fiverr, writing, design, data entry, $100 plus. Your skills, $100 to $400 per month. Tutor online or locally, $200 plus. Clean houses on weekends, $300 plus. Babysit or pet sit, $150. Yard work for neighbors, $100. Pick one that fits your schedule. Don't try to do everything, that's how you burn out. Goal, extra $100 to $200 per month for 90 days. The system, putting it all together. Here's how to make this actually happen. Step 1, open a separate savings account. Do this today. High yield savings at a different bank than your checking. Name it emergency fund, do not touch. Step 2, set up automatic transfers. Every payday, automatically move money to this account. Week 1 to 4, $25 per paycheck while you're cutting expenses. Week 5 to 8, $50 per paycheck. Cuts are in effect. Week 9 to 12, $75 per paycheck. Income boosts added. Adjust these based on your pay schedule. Weekly, bi-weekly, monthly. Step 3, deposit all found money immediately. Every time you get unexpected money, it goes straight to emergency fund. Tax refund, birthday money, work bonus, sold item, extra income from side gig. Don't let it touch your checking account. Direct deposit if possible. Step 4, track progress weekly. Every Sunday, log your balance. Watching the number grow is incredibly motivating. At $250, you're 25% there. At $500, you're halfway. Celebrate these milestones. Step 5, use cash envelopes for temptation categories. If you struggle with overspending in certain areas, eating out, shopping, use cash. When the envelope is empty, you're done for the week. This makes the spending real and visible. 90-day timeline example. Here's what a realistic 90 days might look like. Month 1, $350 to $400. Cut, save $120. Selling stuff brings in $250. Small income boost adds $50. Total, $420. Month 2, $280 to $320. Cut, save $120. Ongoing. No more selling. Done. Income boost adds $150. Total, $270. Month 3, $280 to $350. Cut, save $120. Ongoing. Income boost adds $150. Plus any extra, tax refund, bonus, etc. $50. Total, $320. Grand total after 90 days, $1,010. You did it. And once you have it, you keep going. Build to $2,000, then 3 months of expenses. But that first $1,000 is the hardest and most important. Common obstacles and solutions. What if an emergency happens during the 90 days? Handle it the best you can, then restart. The whole point is to prevent this in the future. Don't give up just because you had to use some of the money. What if I can only save $500 in 90 days? Then you're $500 better off than you were. Keep going for another 45 days. Progress over perfection. What if I really can't cut anything else? Focus on the income side. Even 5 hours a week at $15 an hour gets you $300 a month. It's temporary. What if I dip into it for non-emergencies? Be honest about what's an emergency. New shoes because yours have holes? Emergency. New shoes because they're on sale? Not an emergency. When in doubt, sleep on it. Call to action. Your action steps starting today. 1, open that separate savings account. Takes 10 minutes. 2, set up your first automatic transfer for next payday. 3, choose one area to cut and one way to earn extra. 4, list 10 items to sell this week. That's it. 4 actions that will change your financial life. Look, I know $1,000 seems like a mountain right now, but 90 days from now, you'll wish you had started today. So start today. Subscribe for more real-world money strategies. Comment below. What's your biggest obstacle to saving right now? Let's problem solve together. Your path to plenty starts with that first $1,000. You've got this.